Who is up for some vibe coding today? Well, if you don't know what that word is that I just said, vibe coding is nothing more than platforms that allow you to build things like websites, landing pages, applications without the need to know coding. And we call these things low code, no code environments. And if you're tired of waiting on your marketing agency or your team to build you that new website, to build you that new landing page, and you're tired of paying tens of thousands of dollars to make this happen, well, then you're going to love this video. Because what we're going to do today is vibe code a landing page. We're going to do it in less than 20 minutes, and we're going to do it as an added bonus on more than one platform. Are you ready? Let's talk about it.
Welcome to the API for Everyone Daily Brief.
Well, let's jump right into the platform. So here, let me set the stage so you fully understand the project we're working on. And the clock is going to start right now. The first thing that I want you to do, and I've already done this, is create a prompt that explains and defines what it is that you want to accomplish. Now, for me, for this project, what we're going to do is I am going to be facilitating the Introduction to AI certification course at Ivy Tech. And I want to create a landing page that announces the course, the benefits of the course, who I am, and a way for anybody that wants more information to be able to click a link and go to Ivy Tech's website to either get that information or to sign up. So a very traditional landing page that is going to convert. That's what my focus is. And that's what I created this prompt for. So you can do that over in ChatGPT, or if you want me to shoot a video on how to do that, we can make that happen as well. But for the sake of 20 minutes, I already know what I want, and I already crafted the prompt to make that happen. So I'm going to go into 3 different platforms and run this prompt today. And I just want you to watch what happens. Okay, now I'm going to insert this prompt in Lovable, in Bolt, and in something called Google AI Studio, which most people don't even know about. So if you go to aistudio.google.com and then click Build here in the left, you have your own AI studio here. And the thing about this one, totally free. Totally free. But let's see how it works. Let's see how it works. Now, I also have some other information I want to give it as kind of the sections and some information. So I have got that as well. Oh, I went too far. Let's just grab all this. And let's put it in these as well. So we're in Lovable, because we want all of these to have the same, exact same information, so we can see how all 3 of these compare. Okay, and I'm going to click the magic button now in all 3. So there's Lovable, we're off to the races. There's Bolt, we're off to the races. And there is Google AI Studio. Now, as these things are running, you're going to see over here, it's telling you what it's doing. That's very interesting, especially if you're kind of nerdy, you like to geek out on this stuff. It's a lot of fun to kind of look at that and see what's going on. And it's explaining it to you step by step as it's happening. Over here on Bolt, kind of the same thing happens, and you'll end up seeing a bunch of code over here going on. And then, of course, Google AI Studio, you can see it's not as pretty as the other ones, but it's free, it's coding, and it's making some magic happen. Now, what I'm going to do for the sake of your time is I'm going to speed this video up, but we're on that 20-minute mark. So I'm going to hit start. And if I speed it up, I'll come back and let you know how long this took. And there you go. We have our first one in. That was literally 15 seconds, folks. So let's take a look at what Google AI Studio, which was the fastest and the free version, what did it come up with here? Let's go full screen and really take a look at this. Okay, I really like this top portion. Why is this program for you? It's giving the benefits, program details. We would just need to swap out these photos, customize them in the way that we want them customized in. It's a 6-week certification program. That's accurate. Interactive sessions with real-world examples. That's accurate. Beginner-friendly, no technical background required. That's accurate. We're going to cover AI fundamentals, top tools, business applications. Wow, this is good. Okay, what did it say about me? With nearly 20 years of marketing and business growth experience, Harrison Painter is a co-founder. I'm actually the founder, so we'd have to fix that, of LaunchReady.ai and a pioneer in practical AI education. He is proud to facilitate Ivy Tech's first ever AI certification program, leading Indiana's movement to empower professionals with transformative AI skills. That's pretty good. Now, it didn't get the Ivy Tech logo here, but that's something that we can put in after we get kind of the foundations all put together. But the key here is, are the call to actions working correctly? Boom, it gets us right to Ivy Tech. And then this one here, full course details, gets us right to Ivy Tech. So overall, I'm pretty pleased with our foundation, and we're looking pretty good. Okay, we've got Lovable already here. So it's kind of nice. I didn't have to speed up anything. Now, let's take a look at what this offers us. This is Lovable again. Great hero section here. Does the call to action work? Yes, it does. Why this program? Future-proof your career, hands-on training, trusted institution. We got that. Program details. It gives us all of that. Meet your facilitator. We've got all that put together. Just have to swap out the photo. Need to get the correct Ivy Tech logo there. And then we have another call to action. It works wonderfully. So that's beautiful. And here we go with the third and final option, and that is Bolt. And as you can see here, this one is quite a bit different in its look and feel, but still very similar. Just you got the holding places for everything. Now, did it get the links correct? Yes, it did there. And it did there. So you can see we created all three of these in only a few minutes. So now you have your foundation of what you want to do. Now, I want to also talk about making some tweaks to this, because it's just not that hard to do inside of here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to tell Lovable here. If you look in this bottom left, I know it's kind of hard to see with the setup that I have right now. Oh, you can't see it because I'm the video. But right underneath where I'm sitting, there's something called Edit that you can click. And then you can basically go anywhere on here to make a change or make an edit. So I'm going to want to change this image right here. Now, it doesn't let me change the image there, though. So, okay, what we're going to have to do is go back over here. I want to attach a photo of me instead of this stock photo that somebody put up. So I'm just going to use this little photo here. Change out the photo of the facilitator with a photo of me attached. And let's see if it can make that happen for us. Okay, it's telling me it's going to replace that photo. And let's see if it happens. All right. And there we go. It's as simple as that. So you can basically change any of the text, any of the copy, any of those things right here. And again, you just click that where unfortunately you can't see it, but it's literally like right here behind me, and click edit. And you could actually just go on top of any portion and just start making those changes very, very easily. And then when you want to publish this, you're just going to come over here and click publish. It's going to give you a web address so you can use it. And then once it is published, you are going to be able to add your own custom domain to it, or a subdomain, or whatever that is. So if I hit publish, that would be live. You would be done. You're off, and you can now promote that landing page. Okay, and we can go much, much deeper, and I will in future tutorials, but I just wanted to give you an overview, an understanding of what's possible. I think we're literally at like the 11-minute mark in this video now, even with introductions. So we were able to build all of this in less than 10 minutes, take another 5 or 10 minutes to tweak it, publish it, and you're marketing yourself. You are lead capturing. You are converting business, and it's that simple. Well, I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, like button, bell notification button. Leave a comment in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Number one, was this valuable? Number two, what would you like to see me talk about or share or do a tutorial on in the future? I want to create as much value for you as possible. Okay, well, that's it for me. My name is Harrison Painter. This has been your AI daily brief, tutorial, whatever we're going to call this. And until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and most importantly, keep up.